Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a clownfish. So before we get started, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and it would be awesome if you could leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw. All right, so I am going to start with a eye. So I'm going to do a little circle like this. And we can color that in all dark. Next, we can kind of start to work on the shape of the body just above the eye here. And come on out a little bit. And continue on. And keep on going down here a bit. All right, let's work up here a bit more. So we can start with the fish's mouth. Like that. Come on down. So we've got his mouth done. We're coming on down a bit more. And keep on going. And then we're going inward a little bit right here on both sides. And here we're going to do the bottom, his tail. Like that. And I'm going to do almost like a thick band at the end of the tail, like that. Now let's add in some of his fins. So right here, let's put one. Just a little one like that. And we can add a few little lines like this. And I'm going to add a little line like that going across the top. And now down here, let's do a longer one, like that. And I'm going to add that top line right here. And we can add some more of those little lines right here. Now, let's give him a little fin right here. And you see I've got a line right there. And now here on the bottom, it's got two little ones. So one there, and I'm going to do that little line there. And another little one with that line. Okay. And let's do one more. Like that. And we've got a line right there. All right, so now let's do the clownfish's stripes. So here by the eye, well, I'm going to do a little line like this, just kind of above the eye. And let's see, let's do a line like that. And bring it right there. And now this is going to be a fairly thick line. And we can end it right there. Now this flipper here, this fin, we can add some little lines like this. And I meant to do these right here when I was drawing them, but I guess I forgot. But we'll add these in now. All right. So here behind the fin, we've got another white stripe we're gonna do. We can bring it down like this. And now this is going to be a pretty thick one. Okay. And right here, we can do a little curve like that. and another little curve like that. All right, so we are actually done our drawing, and I'm gonna add some color. All right, everyone, we are done our clownfish. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!